Alright, so this is the unboxing of the Black Widow Peavey lowrider. Arrived today. So we unboxing this. This is a replacement speaker for this 18-inch we blow over the holiday. So let's unbox this. So everybody is replacing the JBL PRX 18-inch when it blow for this sturdy look at there, what it says. Turn it around. Get a picture of that. It's Black Widow. Alright, so let's pick up this bad boy. Alright, look in there. Sticker. Specs. Peavey. So this is the replacement. Oh yeah. That's a bad boy. Come in the back. See this hole? Alright, that's a big boy. Oh, it's heavy. It's a Black Widow Peavey replacement speaker. So most of these, everybody who's 18-inch and even your 15-inch JBL blow, replace it with one of these, the 15-inch Black Widow or the 18-inch Black Widow. You can't go wrong. This is field tested. It's gonna stand up. So they give you the lowest bass. Now look at the air hole. It's like a 2-inch, 3-inch 3-inch hole in a Black Widow Peavey. Alright, so let's mount it up and see how this goes. So this is where it fits in. Put it in a marathon box. Has a Peavey Black Widow in there. Can't wait for this to sound off. Taking this bad boy out soon. Alright, so comment, share, let me know. All your PRX, JBL with blow, replace them with Peavey Black Widow. And let me know if you hear this song.